This is the car you have been waiting for. This 2010 Holden Commodore has great fuel economy and is the ideal runaround for families. This car has a reliable 3-litre engine and a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Having the added feature of ABS brakes makes safety a priority. Having airbags in this car gives you peace of mind that you and your passengers are safe. The grey exterior creates a very stylish car. This vehicle has all the features you could dream of: remote central locking, cruise control, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning, a CD player. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination, an alarm system, and more. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this could be yours today.